Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. Cosine x divided by cosine x, sin x divided by cosine x, and cosine x squared divided by cosine x. So we have 3x squared minus sin x over cosine x plus cosine x. This integration in here, we will have about 3 multiplied by x to the power of 3 over 3. Negative sin x over cosine x, we have ln of the absolute value of cosine x. And this one we have sin x. Number 3, we simplify. This is the end. Thank you for watching.